me quick with game.
Fuck yeah, this is gonna be bomb right here. Whoa. Finesse. Road is a little dirty. Fuck! Fucking shit. You good? Woo! Fucking shit.
Fucking went to the side and got that dirty.
Yeah. Oh god. Oh, you're not bad. Fucking shit, you scared the fuck out of me.
That what's up?
I said you're not bad.
Oh, dude, I think it's just a fucking rat.
Oh, you scared the fuck out of me. You good?
Yeah. Fucking shit, I got fucking scared.
You good?
Yeah. No, yeah, fucking.
Fuck. Fuck you guys. I didn't even wave. Nah, it'll come out though. You looked at the mountain and you went to the mountain?
Huh?
Did you look this way?
I looked the fucking rock.
Yeah. You're good though. Turn that shit off. It's in gear. Hold on, watch out. Yeah, push it back way. Put it this way. Hold on. You see that spot right there?
Yeah.
Just go backwards. Fuck it. Or yeah, turn around. Fucking shit. Oh, he's good. I'm gonna go get Bowman. Oh god. Was I recording? Fuck. I was. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Bro, I locked up my shit so hard. Thought I was going down, bro. Fuck, I locked up my shit dummy hard. He fucking target fixated. Fuck, man, that's the second person to fall while they're with us. He's good though, just because his shit was a little bent. Fuck, Michael knew. He target fixated on a rock and he hit his shit. He fucking target fixated and ran off the corner.
On the inside or outside?
He ran outside. Huh?
Off the side?
Literally the first turn. His shit's cool, like the shifter bent in a little bit and then scrapes, but nothing really bad. It was going really, really slow. But look.
I didn't want to come over here.
I know, I was thinking about it. It's because he said he'd been up here before. So I was like, okay, well, I'll just...
And that's why I dipped, because I didn't want him following me.
I was like, I'm just going to be behind him. Fuck it, just watch him. And then there's a big ass rock. I was like, I saw him target fixate. I was like, fuck, bro. I thought I was going down, dog. I was right behind him. I slid my shit and just, like, I locked the ring and goes...
Dude, he's been starting inside a lot.
Yeah, right?
Start inside and then keep inside and then like after the middle of the turn he just fades outside.
Well, we're all the way back. We have to go all the way back. I was like, I thought you were gonna wait all the way in the shade. I was like, this nigga's gonna like actually wait because he's kind of slow. So I was like, cause he's fine, he's cool. He's just. He's fine. I'm telling you, it was small. Yeah, you think you're fine. If it shifts through.
Huh?
If it goes through the gears, then I think it should be fine.
Yeah, because right now it wasn't fucking going to the
Fucking dicks. It's hot as fuck. Oh. It makes you feel like these fools. I don't want to ride with these fools anymore. Fuck. Fuck, I knew we should. I was thinking, I was like,
I wanted to like talk to him about like the lighting when we stopped, but then I was like, I don't want to sound like a bitch.
he said he'd been up here.
I know.
That's all. He's like, oh, when he said, oh, I've been all the way up, I was like, all right, we're good to go all the way up. He knows how it is. I think he just like, I don't know if he was nervous because like we were with him. You know what I mean? Like you're like a little, fuck it, go fucking get him, bitch.